Yo, what's up everyone? I hope you're doing well. I just want to do a quick video on how to sun bleach a item of clothing. So I have a couple of black pieces that I want to kind of get a nice fade to. So I have this kind of work jacket from the Spring Summer 20 Uniqlo U collection, and I really like the jacket, but it's kind of like a jet black, and generally with more like streetwear items I kind of like a little bit more of a fade to it. So I'm gonna sun bleach that, and then also just another black Gildan t-shirt. This one's fairly old, so it already has a little bit of wear to it, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So it's a nice way to get a nice tone to your clothes, but yeah. Okay, so the process of sun bleaching is incredibly easy and very simple. All that you do, find a nice sunny spot on your property. Could be a balcony, could be a backyard, you know, porch or anything, and you want anything that gets direct sunlight for a good chunk of the day. And then you're gonna lay the garment down and you're gonna pin it down with some rocks, some chairs, whatever, and then you're gonna let it sit there for about month and a half, 2 months maybe. And just don't forget to occasionally flip the item and then move whatever you're using to pin it down. Kind of move it around the garment so you don't get like a circle spot where it didn't get direct sunlight, so it's darker there. Just move it around. So yeah, I would say maybe once every like week or so, like flip it, move the whatever you're using to hold it down around on the garment, and you should be good. 2 months later, boom, you got a nice sun bleach garment. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do that. So I'm gonna lay the Gildan tee out in this area, and it's already a little bit faded, but as it's out in the elements too, it's going to wear a little bit more. So let's kind of nicely lay that out. I have another spot for the work jacket that might get more direct sunlight, but for the t-shirt, this will be good here. So go ahead, take a couple of bigger rocks and just kind of plop it down each corner so the wind don't blow it away. And then you just literally just leave that there for a while. I'm not sure with the snow melting and everything how that's gonna affect it, but there we go. Okay, so I found a better spot for the work jacket just because this is such a jet black and has like no wear on it whatsoever. Thought it might need a little bit more direct sunlight, so I have this bench here I think I can pin it down to, and it won't be too much of an eyesore, but yeah. So just go ahead and lay that out here, and then the sleeves are going to be dangling, so I'm just going to put them up like this. I might have to rotate this item a little bit more than the t-shirt just because of that. So, oh yeah, these rocks are too light, so I'm just gonna, boom, look at that. Now because I can't like lay this out completely flat and maximize the amount of surface area the garment is taking up, I'm probably gonna have to rotate this one more often, so maybe like a couple times a week. Just to make sure that it's kind of being sun bleached evenly throughout. But yeah, now we wait. It's been about a month now of the shirts being outside. I wish I could keep out for a little bit longer, but I am going to live abroad for a couple months, so kind of gotta do this video now. But anyway, so you can't see right now too good, but because I'm gonna bring these in. I have been kind of flipping them back and forth and kind of maneuvering the rocks around too, so it's kind of dusty too. If you see any like dirt on it or anything, or like, ooh, that's some nice fading, a lot of that's just dirt. So anyways, here's the t-shirt. I'm gonna wash those and dry them and everything, and then let me go and get the Uniqlo work jacket. It's been a pretty cold spring, which I'm not complaining about. But anyways, I've been kind of rotating this around, and yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I think it makes it a little more tonal, makes it a little bit easier to wear. But we're gonna go ahead and wash this and see just how much 1 month out in the sun kind of does. see, sun bleaching really does kind of add a nice tonal element to your clothes, and it can make the colors just a bit softer in my opinion. So sometimes if you have like a really harsh like black shirt or something, just kind of sun bleaching it a little bit can kind of soften up a little bit and make it a little bit more wearable, and just more tonal if that is your thing. Now, as you can see, I, on the back of both of these pieces, got a little bit more sun just because I kind of forgot to flip it back to the front a little bit, but I'm going to put these back out. However, I needed to do this video soon because I am actually leaving tomorrow to go live in Ireland for the summer. I have an internship there. So that's why my uploads have been very sparse, is just because I've been packing and getting ready and working virtually already. So both of these turned out really good. I think I'm just going to put them out for a little bit longer and try to make them lay a little bit more flat, because as you can see, especially on the t-shirt, you can see where it got some more sun and where it didn't, where it like flipped over because of the wind and whatnot. Especially on the back too, you can just see like the difference between like sun bleached and not sun bleached. So I'm definitely going to put this back out, and you can actually see this is the importance of moving around the rocks, because there is like the rock I used to hold it down. But I mean, obviously if you do it properly, it's just that nice tone throughout the whole entire shirt. And I feel like the t-shirt sun bleach a little bit easier than this jacket, and I think it has to do with like the density of the fabric, but it still did work on this. So I'm gonna leave these out. I'm just gonna like kind of instruct one of my family members to kind of move the rocks around while I'm gone. Let me know if you have any video ideas for me to do while I'm in Dublin. So I know that was kind of a jumbled video right there, but I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And let me know any video ideas you want me to do while I'm over in Ireland working. I do have, the weekends off, and it stays light out till like 10 or something at night. So definitely plenty of time to go and get some fit pics and some footage and everything. So a lot of things are still closed down there. So I'll have time to, go to parks and go walk around and take fit pics. So anyways, guys, yeah, just let me know any cool video ideas, and I will see you in a video pretty soon. So see ya. Have a good one. See you in a little bit.